to the FIFA 2026 World Cup isn't just the biggest football tournament in the world. It's official, the most technology advanced event in sports history. We're talking about match balls that have to be charged before kickoff, referees wearing AI body stabilized cam, and 3D avatar replacing broadcasting lines. It all started with Adidas. Inside these balls, it sits an ultra-thin motion sensor tracking data 50 times per second. It registers exact milliseconds a foot make contact with the ball because it's packed with electronics. It literally has to be charged on dock before every single match. But the real thing happens when you pair the football with a semi-automated offside technology. Specialized stadium cameras tracking 29 points of every player's single body 50 times a second. When the pass is made, the system automatically detects offside. Imagine as tight as 10 centimeters, sending a near instant audio alert straight to the referee's ear. No more 5-minute VAR delay. Before the tournament, FIFA digitally scanned every player to build an exact 3D avatar. Instead of showing 2D lines on broadcast, the system utilizes high realistic avatar to render 3D recreation of offsides and controversial plays from an angle, increasing transparency for fans. And those chaotic moments when players surround referees. I think it's not just for ref and the elite teams. FIFA and Lenovo launched the FIFA AI Pro, a generative AI platform processing about 2,000 performance per match. It generates elite instant tactical 3D visualization. The best part is open to all 48 competing countries which are playing in the FIFA 2026 World Cup to completely leveling the analysis playing field for underdog nations. Behind the scenes, an entirely broadcasting infrastructure has been visualized instead of massive, expensive television trackers traveling to 16 different host cities. Networks are using a decentralized private cloud running on commercial off-the-shelf services. High-quality streams are managed completely via software. Even the pitch they are playing on is high-tech. To deal with this massive climate difference across North America, stadiums are using hydro fiber reinforced turf. Millions of fibers are stitched deep into a natural grass root zone, locking it down so players can cut hard without ripping up hungry chunks of soil. The turf is entirely climate control, suggesting in-grid zone that adjusts automatically to the pitch, perfectly on uniform, rain or shine. The 2026 World Cup is a massive turning point. It proves data and AI are no longer just a backup. They are the fundamentals running it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel because there are more videos coming. And I'll see you in the next one.